Revolutionize your weight loss. Getting Flat Belly Journey. Hi and good day, our lovely viewers. Welcome back to the Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance channel. Today, we have something truly remarkable to share with you, a product that could be the game changer you've been waiting for in your weight loss and getting flat belly journey. Obesity is a growing concern, with various factors contributing to weight gain, from slow metabolism to overindulgence and inactivity. And let's not forget the flood of flashy weight loss products that often promise the world but deliver little to no results. But what if I told you there's a product that stands out from the rest? One that's crafted entirely from natural ingredients and can genuinely help you shed those extra pounds. Yes, you heard it right. Natural ingredients are the key to safe and effective weight loss. Now, let's dive into why some people struggle with weight gain. Overeating, slow metabolism, and a sedentary lifestyle can all contribute. But here's the catch. Not all weight loss products are created equal. Some come with side effects like headaches and increased heart rate due to stimulants. So how do you choose the right product for your weight loss journey? It's all about the ingredients. Look for products composed entirely of natural, plant-based components. That's the foundation of our spotlight today. This supplement is a game changer for anyone struggling with obesity. It's designed to target the GLP-1 hormone, which plays a crucial role in how your body handles food and energy. This product works differently from conventional diets and exercise regimes. It targets the GLP-1 hormone to ensure your body processes sugar efficiently, leaving you feeling satiated and reducing those unhealthy cravings. Let's take a closer look at the powerhouse ingredients. Asian green tea boosts metabolism and promotes fat burning. Cinnamon bark helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces hunger. Mangosteen aids in fat breakdown and supports normal blood sugar levels. Panax ginseng may help reduce triglyceride levels and promote weight loss. Ashwagandha, known for its immunity-boosting and metabolism-enhancing properties. Don't just take our word for it. Scientific studies back the effectiveness of this natural supplement. Research shows that the ingredients in this product can improve your body's ability to handle food and burn fat. But the benefits don't stop at weight loss. This also promotes appropriate insulin levels, prevents the formation of fat cells, boosts metabolism, detoxifies your body, and even enhances cognitive function. Now, I know you're eager to try this incredible product for yourself. The safest and most reliable way to purchase it is through the official website. Beware of counterfeit products from other vendors. We've included a link in the description and the pinned comment below to take you directly to the official website. Wellness Warriors, if you've been searching for a natural, safe, and effective way to kickstart your weight loss journey, this might just be the answer you've been waiting for. Remember, your health and well-being are the most important investments you can make. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell that you don't miss for more wellness tips and reviews. And as always, stay vibrant, stay balanced, and keep striving for your best self. Until next time, take care and be well.